The exhibition hall to be introduced this time is the Shamanism Hall. Shamanism is a religious phenomenon centered around shamans and is a form of folk religion. In the shamanism room, objects and materials used in exorcism at Bugundang in the Yongsan area are displayed. Bugundang refers to a shrine in Seoul, and Gyeonggi-do that enshrines the village's guardian deity. It is known that in the early Joseon dynasty, it was installed at each government office in Hanyang under the leadership of the government. Along the walls of the exhibition room, you can check out tools such as knives, flags, bells, and wooden tables that shamans use when performing exorcism, clothes worn by shamans, and paintings of shaman gods. It is a space that has a unique feature that is rarely seen in other museums in that it allows you to see items actually used by shamans.